Could the DJI Mini 5 Pro be the ultimate compact drone we've all been waiting for? Rumors about its innovative features such as built-in LiDAR, lightweight design, and improved battery life have captured the attention of drone enthusiasts everywhere. But as we look forward to its release in summer 2025, we must ask, will it live up to our expectations or fall short? At the forefront of the speculation surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is the potential integration of LiDAR technology. This cutting-edge feature has previously been reserved for higher-end models, like the DJI Air 3S, making its rumored inclusion in a lightweight drone particularly intriguing. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, offers enhanced obstacle detection and mapping capabilities, which could significantly improve flight safety and navigation. Leaked images suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will be equipped with additional sensors that appear to be LiDAR units strategically placed between existing obstacle avoidance sensors. Another exciting aspect of the Mini 5 Pro is its improved motor design. Reports indicate that DJI is developing vented motors that promise better cooling and enhanced performance without exceeding the critical weight limit of 249 grams. This engineering achievement would allow for more powerful flight characteristics while maintaining compliance with regulations that exempt drones under this weight from registration requirements in many jurisdictions. The combination of LiDAR technology and upgraded motors could result in a drone that not only performs better, but also offers users an unprecedented level of control and safety. Speculation also points to a larger camera sensor, potentially a 1-inch model, which would improve image quality and low-light performance. Furthermore, enhanced AI tracking capabilities could enable the drone to follow fast-moving subjects with greater precision, making it an attractive option for filmmakers. The anticipated flight time for the Mini 5 Pro is also generating interest, with expectations of reaching up to 40 minutes, a significant improvement over its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. Longer flight times are essential for content creators who need extended periods to capture high-quality footage without frequent interruptions for battery changes. Coupled with potential 5G connectivity, which would facilitate smoother real-time controls and high-resolution live feeds, these features position the Mini 5 Pro as a formidable tool for professional videography. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to surpass its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro, with several exciting enhancements. Rumored to feature built-in LiDAR technology, it promises improved obstacle detection and 360-degree sensing, enhancing safety and usability. The Mini 5 Pro is also expected to include vented motors for better cooling and stability, addressing the performance limitations of the Mini 4 Pro. Additionally, while both drones aim for a sub-250-gram weight, the Mini 5 Pro may achieve flight times of up to 40 minutes and improved camera capabilities with a larger sensor, setting a new standard for compact drones in the market. However, while the excitement surrounding these advancements is palpable, skepticism remains prevalent among industry experts and enthusiasts alike. Some analysts had previously dismissed the idea of significant upgrades due to weight constraints inherent in the Mini series. Yet recent leaks have prompted some to reconsider this stance, suggesting that DJI may have found innovative solutions to integrate advanced features without compromising on weight. The prospect of a lightweight drone equipped with LiDAR and improved motors raises questions about how these technologies will coexist within such strict limitations. The market context surrounding this potential release further complicates matters. DJI has recently introduced other lightweight models, like the DJI Neo, and is rumored to be launching additional compact drones, such as the DJI Flip. This strategic move suggests a comprehensive approach by DJI to dominate various segments within the lightweight drone market while catering to different consumer needs and price points. However, it also raises concerns about whether the Mini 5 Pro will stand out amidst an increasingly crowded field. Despite all these exciting prospects, there is lingering doubt about whether the Mini 5 Pro will live up to its lofty expectations. Until DJI makes an official announcement confirming these features, everything remains speculative at best. The summer 2025 release timeline allows ample opportunity for changes or refinements that could alter key aspects of what has been leaked thus far. Thanks for tuning in. While there's no denying that the DJI Mini 5 Pro has generated considerable excitement with its rumored features like built-in LiDAR and enhanced motors under a sub-250G design, one cannot ignore the potential pitfalls that lie ahead. With so much anticipation surrounding the Mini 5 Pro, we have to ask, can DJI deliver on its promises of innovation and performance? Share your predictions in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going.